Hello guys, what's going on? And it's been a couple of days that I've actually did a video, and today I just came up with this good product which I really liked. And if you're into filmmaking or YouTube videos, and probably you may need one of this because you know the importance of a lavalier microphone or any microphone in that regard. So let's actually get into the video and review this amazing piece of lavalier microphone kit from a company called Panda. So it's been a couple of days that I've been using this Purple Panda microphone on Amazon. It was actually sold out a couple of days back, and there were no stock. And after some days, they again came back with a few more products, and I was able to get it for like $23, which was actually like 29 or $30 approximately. And I was luckily able to get it for like about $23. So that's a pretty good deal on this guy. And yeah, I say that's pretty good deal because it gives a ton of feedback for the price point. Basically, I mean to say that it gives a ton of features back to the user for that price point, because at 23 or $24 I don't think you'll be able to get anything as such quality. I'll just show you the test videos and audio clips as well as to how it sounds with a microphone of the camera, with a SE Electronics microphone, with a lavalier clip-on microphone, which is a third-party one. I think it's from Miracle Sound, and also compare with this. So I'll do the 4 of the test, and we'll see as to how better this sounds. So to go ahead, let's unbox this. It comes up with few kit of accessories as well. So this is some paperwork, we don't need that. This will be basically useful if you're using it for GoPro, and I'm not going to use it on GoPro, so let it be. It can be helpful in some situations. And the next thing is the microphone itself. The cool thing about this is that the clip which goes to your shed is actually made up of metal, so that sounds and holds up pretty firmly. And apart from that, a cool thing about this with this $23 microphone is that they also give you this windshield kind of thing. If you go outside, you can replace it with a normal cover kind of windshield, so that's a pretty good deal. So this is what is very important. So if you're planning to use it on your Zoom H1 or your microphone of the camera, then you may have to use this, because this port is basically designed for phone, and this is for the 3.5mm jack. So this is TRRS enabled. So if you wanted to use it on a camera, then you may have to plug it in like this. So I'll be using it on the Zoom H1, so I need this, so I'll just put it there. And what else it comes with? This is pretty much important. This thing is a long cable. Actually, if you're just recording some kind of a video and you don't want to record it to any other audio source, if you want to just record it to the camera, then you can use this. So you can place the camera somewhere far and use this cable as an extender and record the audio right from your clip. So that's a cool thing. Let's keep that aside. And the final thing is this is the normal cover which goes onto your microphone. So if you don't want this, if you are in a need of a situation where it's too windy, then you can use this. So that's cool. So everything is pretty good, and they also give this small pouch. I don't think it's made up of much quality. I think it's kind of a velvety kind of a cloth, so it isn't so good. But don't go upon with this cover, because the audio out of this guy is really amazing. It's quite affordable, and it goes pretty much fine with the Zoom H1. You don't need a Rode or a Sennheiser microphone. I think this will justify the purpose of it. So that is it. That was the unboxing, and let's go and now do some audio test with this. So I'll just use the in-body camera microphone first, And the next test would be with the SE Electronics Pro Laser microphone, and after that I will use this. So this is from a company called Miracle Sound, and I got it like for $8. So it serves a purpose, but it isn't so quite as what this guy does. So I'll test that as well, and after this I'll switch to this, and I'll just speak out the same phrase, so you can just make sure as to which one sounds better. Okay, so the next test would be with these devices. So let's get into it. So this audio is from the microphone of the camera, and there's no filter, or there's no, what do you say, the hot shoe cover there. It's just open. So I'm just gonna read out the phrase. It's DSLR, camcorder, portable recorder, GoPro Hero 2. So now the next phrase would be from the Pro Laser microphone. So let me just put that. This is with the Pro Laser SE Electronics microphone. I think it's SE Electronics Pro Laser microphone. So I'm just gonna read out the phrase again. There were no setting changes done. It's still at the minus 10 dB, I believe. Yes, it's still at the minus 10 dB. I'm just gonna read out this phrase: DSLR, camcorder, portable recorder, GoPro Hero 2. So that's done with this. Now let me switch to the Miracle Sound microphone. After that I'll make a move to the Purple Panda. Okay, so right now I'm recording this audio with the Miracle Sound microphone. I think it's too loud. I think it's pre-amplified a lot, so I don't know. The camera recording is actually at minus, I think it's 1 decibel, so that's the lowest I can go, and after that the audio just moves off, so I can't record anything. So it's at 1 right now. So I'm just gonna read out the phrase again: DSLR, camcorder, portable recorder, GoPro Hero 2. So the next audio would be from the Purple Panda microphone. Let's actually see how well it sounds. Alright, so right now we are recording this with the Purple Panda, and as you can see, there's a lot of outside the noise cancellation which is going on pretty well. I don't know how this microphone does it, but I've actually tested it outside as well, and it just cuts off the external audio. That's a pretty good thing. The previous one, the Miracle Sound, you were clearly able to hear the refrigerator sound which was running in the background. So it's still running, but this guy isn't catching that much, so that's a pretty good thing. So let's read out this right now. So DSLR, camcorder, portable recorder, GoPro Hero 2. So that was with this Purple Panda microphone. So now it's up to you. In my regards, I think Purple Panda is doing pretty good job in this regards of the noise cancellation. I don't know how it's able to do for $23. That's a pretty good thing. And the whole audio of the video was basically recorded with the SE Electronics Pro Laser microphone, which was set at minus 10 decibels, and it was directly facing me. That means it's actually facing in here. I mean, actually it's in the backward direction. So that was it. So with that, I would just like to end this video, guys. I hope Purple Panda has done pretty good thing by giving the users such an affordable lavalier microphone out there in the market, because I don't think you'll get anything for $23 with such a good quality. If there's anything as such, then please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely try to review it. I'll personally buy it and just test it out. So with that, I would just like to end this video, guys. I hope you have liked this, and please do subscribe and post in your questions about this video. If you have anything, I'll definitely try to answer them. The upcoming next video is basically the Sony 85mm f1.8 lens, which I bought recently to use it on the Sony A7. I'll do that test video in a couple of days, so please just hold on and just subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and take care. Bye bye.